We are following some breaking news involving the trial of those other three former officers who've been charged in connection with George Floyd's murder. Gabe Gutierrez back with me now. Gabe, what can you tell us?
Well, Craig, we have those breaking developments just now trickling out of that courtroom in Minneapolis. The trial for those three officers is now being delayed until March 7th of next year. It had been scheduled to start in August, but just a short time ago, the judge in this case said that there needs to be some space from the publicity that is no doubt going to occur following Derek Chauvin's sentencing on June 25th. Also, that means that the federal civil rights trial will apparently go first before this state trial for those three other officers. The defense wanted that. The prosecution opposed that, according to these pool notes that we're just starting to get. Also, Craig, there were several other motions discussed this morning, one of them involving that potential leak that the New York Times and the Associated Press reported on, essentially that Derek Chauvin was considering a potential plea deal that then Attorney General Bill Barr rejected. Well, the attorney for Officer Tao says that he wants to actually put prosecutors under oath on the stand to testify about how that leak transpired, and even raised the possibility of subpoenaing the New York Times reporter that reported that story. The judge has not ruled on that, however, and has scheduled an evidentiary hearing for August. But again, that is a potential controversy arising. The attorney for one of the former officers alleging that there was some sort of prosecutorial misconduct possibly because of that leak. But again, the headline, Craig, is that the trial for those three former officers is now scheduled for March of next year, being delayed for several months so that the federal case can move forward. Craig?
Okay. And Gabe, again, these three officers, they are out on bond. This morning's hearing did not change that at all, correct?
Yeah, that's exactly right. They are charged with aiding and abetting, as you know, Craig. Their trial coming after Derek Chauvin was convicted of second and third degree murder and manslaughter, but their case was not handled at the same time because of COVID restrictions. It had been scheduled for August. The news just now is that the judge is pushing it back until next year, Craig.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. You should know that you can follow today's top stories and breaking news and catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.